Mr. Desikan Krishnan, who has been closely associated with K. Narayanachari, will tell us more about the man and the photojournalist. Let's find out from him about the life and work of Narayanachari. Sir.
Narayanachari was perhaps the pioneer in cricket photography in India. He worked with the Hindu newspaper, and those days there were no stadium or there was no special place for the photographers. It was in the 50s, mid 50s, 60s, where he had to make temporary shelters, sometimes even on top of trees, and the cameras which he used were not roll film cameras, they were sheet film cameras, 4 inches by 5 inches, one shot at a time. Then he had to pull out that sheet of film and put in another sheet of film, and he was excellent in his work. He had an instinct for shooting cricket. I have covered some matches with him at Chepauk in Chennai, where he used to be the first person on the ground. If the match started at 9:30, normally the match started at 9:30 in the morning, he would be there at 7:30. So, first to get the most vantage point, which was just above the side screen. He was so passionate about it that he would not allow anybody who would talk or make small talk, conversation, sit next to him. He would reserve 2 places, on a chair on his left and the chair on his right, and he would give it to only people whom he trusted would not disturb him. And even the crowd sitting before him, each time there is a dismissal or something, they would get up. He would yell at them and make them sit. So, next time there was anything, those people would also volunteer, they would look back at Chari to find out whether they could get up and cheer. That was the respect he commanded, and fiercely competitive. His picture had to be the best on the day's play, because all newspapers would publish pictures and his picture had to be the best. His interaction with cricketers, he moved very, very closely with cricketers. Most of them visited his houses, and also not only cricketers but politicians. I am going to show you a few pictures of his interaction with cricketers.
Today you have got to know about a lot of people who are no longer there in the physical body. The work they have done is left forever. A lot of their work you can find online on certain websites which are owned or controlled by people who have the right to the collections of those photographs. Honoring copyright, we cannot show you all the photographs that they have done, but you can browse the internet and find out more about the range of work that the photographers and the photojournalists have done. Mr. Desikan Krishnan has been kind enough to share with us the images that he got from Mr. Sridhar Narayanachari of his father, of documenting him close to many politicians and sports persons. As you would have seen, a photojournalist, be it a male or a female, any person who is into photography and photojournalist and who is doing committed, passionate and honest good work has access to people and activities which common people do not have access to. Therefore, there is tremendous responsibility that comes with this. You will be honored for your work in photojournalism, but you have to be meritorious and worthy of that honor. We hope that you have enjoyed seeing the photographs that we could share with you to show you a glimpse of people who are no longer there, and that it would inspire you to start your own journey in photojournalism.